We use most capable engineering drone solutions to adapting for inclement conditions in Antarctica. Pollution is contributing the Arctic warm up faster. Increased greenhouse gases, main driver of this climatic change. Coal burning in non-term mid-latitudes contributes aerosols such as sulfur hexafluoride, which based on measurements data. Now we expanded our perspective and build our drone knowledge into something new. We dreamed big. Why not make our whole Earth healthier by monitoring and preventing air pollution in Antarctic? Solution. With a well-organized peer-to-peer system, we can collect drones from large eco-friendly companies. We build gas detectors near drones propellers, which like an IoT can connect cell phones. We collect data and then can compare with big data. With this method, use machine learning drones feel capable to mapping and detecting the gases in Arctic's air. This is the best validation for the measurements from satellites. To make our drones operating longer time, we create a new way solar panel usage system, and with new generation batteries, we can make it more suitable for Antarctic conditions. Drone users and eco-friendly companies and businessmen will let their drones to use and they will get credit. Investment funds will be available so everyone can buy to participate in this project. Drones are already used to monitoring air pollution in bigger cities, and so already used in Antarctica, for example, for monitoring penguins, and we combined these two methods to create a new and innovative solution.